Hello and welcome to Engineering Simple. This video will provide information on how to calculate transformer efficiency. So let's see, here's an example. So we have a lot of information here. Transformer MVA is 11.2 MVA, load loss, or sometimes called copper losses, is 58.17 kilowatts. Transformer no load loss or core losses is 6.35 kilowatts. Power factor is 85% or 0.85 per unit. Loading factor is 75%. So the question is calculate efficiency of this transformer. So here's the definition of the efficiency. So efficiency is power out divided by power in, because when the transformer is loaded, you're going to supply a certain MVA, but because of the losses, the power out will be less. It will be losses less than the power that you supplied. Or also it's power in minus losses divided by power out plus losses. Or in other terms, efficiency is equal to power out. So it's the voltage in times the current in input basically times the power factor, because it depends on the power factor, times the loading factor, because transformer might be loaded 50%, 100%, 75%. So those things matter. Divided by the power out plus core losses plus load losses. In the reason we see loading factor squared here in the load loss, because load loss is I squared R, so it's I squared. So the load, if it decreases by, say, like a half, then the impact is a quarter, so it's a half squared. So then I just use the numbers and I calculate 99.45%. So this is like the exact formula to how to calculate the efficiency if you have all the information. Thank you for watching this video on efficiency, and have a great day.